welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and if you're new here, welcome. For today's video, we have a Valentine's Day inspired makeup video, and it's this pink eyeshadow I'm wearing right now. I called it a pink eyeshadow moment. I think that's what I'm gonna title this video. But a couple of days ago, my husband and I went on a date night. We do that once a month, and I was wearing this look and I was wearing this same shirt, and that's what kind of inspired the whole look. I wanted to match my makeup to my outfit and created this monochromatic, very easy pink eyeshadow look, and I thought it would be the perfect look for Valentine's Day, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you guys want to see this video, how I created this look, what eyeshadows I used, then just keep on watching. It's not like this is a voiceover. I don't know why I was so quiet in the beginning. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, so I'm like warming up. Hi you guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is prime our face, and I feel like I don't even need to say the products I'm using because it's literally always the same, but I'm going in with the Rare Beauty primer. You guys already know, I don't need to say it, but I adore this primer. So I'm going to be applying that. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the Milani Prep and Brighten oil, just because I woke up today a little dry, a little bit dry, just because it's a little bit cold in Florida, and well, my face was a little dry when I woke up. So that oil is gonna really help my face not to look as dry. And then of course I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 120. So I'm just gonna apply the foundation. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. Now I'm gonna apply concealer, and of course we're gonna go in with the Rare Beauty concealer. I'm running low on this. I have to repurchase it soon because I really like it. And then to set it, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Next, I'm gonna apply my bronzer, and of course, we're gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I really need to start trying out new products because I feel like you guys are gonna get so bored of always watching me using the same stuff. But then it's like, if it ain't broke, why fix it? You know what I mean? For blush, I'm going in with the Milani Sunset Passion. It's a very pretty dusty rose, and as you can see by my all pink outfit and what I'm going to be doing in my eyeshadows, I'm really feeling the whole monochromatic thing. I'm kind of matching my makeup to my outfits lately, and I like it. And for highlight, of course, ColourPop FLEXITARIAN. I don't need to say much about that one. But it's like, oh, come on. It's so beautiful. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade... Neutral Brown, and I recently purchased this not too long ago, and I really like it. I love the color. I don't necessarily love like how thick the actual pencil is, but it's fine. I mean, for the price, it is so affordable. I think it's less than $3. I'm not sure on that one, but I know it's less than $5 for sure. And I've really been liking it. I also loved my DIY tinting eyebrows, and I'm going to be doing that soon again. It did last about like a week and a half most. It didn't last 2 or 3 weeks. but it was my first time, so for the next time I think I am gonna leave it on either a little bit longer or just apply a bit more, because when you wipe it off a lot of it does go away. But I did love doing that. But for now we are going to stick to doing our brows. And for the eyes, we're going to be using the James Charles palette, and I'm only going to be using 3 eyeshadows from this palette, and it's these 2 pink ones, so Pinkity Drinkity and Skip, and then we're gonna be using this one right here, which I don't remember the name. Let's see. And then we're gonna use the shade Sister as well. And this eyeshadow look is so easy. I haven't worn pink eyeshadow in so long, and then it kind of clicked in my brain like, this is the perfect Valentine's Day makeup look. It's very subtle, very simple, but very girly and cute. And the first thing I'm gonna do is grab this ColourPop brush right here. It has like a little rounded point, and I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna start with Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm gonna kind of do like a little cut crease, and I'm gonna apply that kind of in a round shape right on my crease area. And I'm using just the lightest pressure on my hand, kind of going back and forth, because I really want to map out where I'm going to be placing the Skip eyeshadow, which is the more vibrant pink. Now with the same brush, I'm going to dip into Skip, and that is the hot pink shade. And I'm going to be doing the exact same thing, so just kind of lining where I applied the other eyeshadow. And again, I'm using the lightest pressure I can. Now I'm going to grab this Makeup Geek brush. I've had this makeup brush for like 7 years, but it's a really great brush. It's a pointed crease brush, and I'm gonna mix the 2 shades now, so Skip and Pinkity Drinky, and I'm really gonna start blending that eyeshadow. And I think I'm gonna zoom you guys in even more so you really see what I'm doing with the eyes. And finally, grabbing the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush, I'm going to grab a little bit of just Pinkity Drinkity and blend a little bit more on top. Just really want all of that to look really blended and soft. And that is it for the eyeshadow look. I wanted it to look kind of like a cut crease, and because I do have my eyelash extensions, all you can see is the pink peeking through, and I thought that looked so beautiful, so subtle, so romantic, and that's really all I did for my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I'm gonna be using Skip and then Pinkity Drinkity to blend everything out. And then we're gonna use this shade Sister to highlight the inner corner. And a little tip I found on TikTok, I think it was Lipstick Nick, if I'm correct, is to grab your inner corner highlight and kind of drag it on top towards the eyeshadow, and that is what I did the other night, and that's what I'm going to be doing today as well. And now that we have our lower lash line, I'm going to be grabbing this MAC 2, I don't even know what number it is because it's gone. I want to say 230 maybe, I don't know, but this is my favorite brush to kind of apply my inner corner highlight and all of that. So I'm going to grab the shade Sister, and I'm going to use that to highlight our inner corner because it does have a little bit of that pinky shade to it, and then I'm gonna be dragging it up to the eyeshadow, and it kind of creates like an iridescent, beautiful effect. Now for the lips, you guys know I love my nude lips, and again, that is what I wore, but I am gonna switch it up today because that day I wore the Rare Beauty lipstick. Today I kind of want a more nude lip, so I'm gonna go in with the NYX lip liner in the shade Peekaboo Neutral. For the lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Amore Matte in the shade Lavish. And to top it off, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Keep It Full Lip Plumper. Yes. The last thing I'm gonna do, which I had forgotten to do, is apply mascara to my lower lashes. And of course, brush my eyelash extensions. And something I forgot to do was to set my face, so I am going to be setting it now. I just added... I need to stop doing that. I just added a few waves to my hair and pinned it back, and that is it for today's look. It is so classy, so pretty, so girly, so pinky, so appropriate for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that little bell so you never miss any of my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hi you guys! So welcome back. No, I already said that in my intro. Ensemble by my all pink, but for now we are gonna stick to doing our brows.